Cash App catastrophe? Can you really transfer money out? Ever been stuck with money in a digital wallet, itching to get it into your actual bank account? We've all been there. Maybe you sold some old clothes online, got a surprised birthday gift through Cash App, or just need to consolidate your finances. Cash App, a popular money transfer service, boasts a sleek interface and instant transactions. But what happens when you need that money back in your bank account? Can Cash App actually transfer funds, or are you stuck in a digital purgatory? Well, fret no more, financially frustrated friends. Today's video dives deep into the world of Cash App cash outs, answering the burning question, can you transfer money from Cash App to your bank account? Buckle up, because we're about to break down the nitty-gritty, the fees, and the fastest ways to get your money where it needs to be. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, you absolutely can transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. Cash App offers a cash out feature that allows you to seamlessly move your Cash App balance to your linked bank account. This means you can ditch the digital wallet woes and have real, spendable cash, well, technically, a bank transfer, ready to go. Here's the exciting part, standard transfers from Cash App to your bank account are completely free. That's right, no hidden fees, no surprise charges, just a smooth transfer from your digital wallet to your financial fortress. However, there's always a but, isn't there? If you're someone who needs instant gratification, and let's be honest, who doesn't these days, Cash App offers an instant deposit option. This gets your funds into your bank account in a flash, but there's a catch, a fee. The instant deposit fee can range from 0.50% to 1.75% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of 25 cents. So, the choice boils down to speed versus savings. Need your money lightning fast? Opt for the instant deposit and be prepared for a small fee. But if you can wait a bit, usually 1 to 3 business days, the standard free transfer is the way to go. Cash App also throws in a little bonus feature, the ability to choose which bank account you want to transfer the money to. This means you can have multiple bank accounts linked and choose the destination for your Cash App funds depending on your needs. Now, let's talk about the technicalities. Transferring money from Cash App to your bank account is a breeze. Here's a quick rundown. Open the Cash App and navigate to the Cash tab. Tap on Cash Out. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Choose your preferred deposit speed, standard or instant. Select the bank account you want to transfer the money to. Confirm the transaction with your PIN or Touch ID. That's it. You've successfully initiated the transfer, and your money will be on its way to your bank account. Cash App Cash Out, the final verdict. Cash App offers a convenient and secure way to transfer money from your digital wallet to your bank account. With the free standard transfer option, you can save some cash while waiting a few days. But if you're in a time crunch, the instant deposit option, despite the fee, can be a lifesaver. Ultimately, the choice depends on your individual needs. Just remember, you have options, and that's the beauty of Cash App's Cash Out feature. So, there you have it. The mystery of Cash App cash outs is solved. Now you can confidently navigate your digital finances and get your money where it needs to be. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending or saving.